Hello and welcome to another video. Today we look at how to install software on Porteus Linux, Slackware based distribution that is portable and can be run from a USB drive. Now, the first thing you need to install is the browser, and to do that just click the start and then go to the internet and go to browser selection tool. Make sure to input root password, which is TOOR. Now here you get to choose whichever browser you want. For now let's go with Chromium, and make sure you have internet connection. It's pretty simple. Yes, and let it finish. Now once Chromium has finished downloading, just click OK, and then if I go to file manager, I should go under file systems and then go to temp, and here is my Chromium right here. So in order for me to run this one, I can right click it from here and activate, or if I intend to reuse it, I'll copy it and move it to my USB under Porteus and modules, and then I'll paste it right here. I'll right click it and open with activate, input admin password, and Chromium is installed. Now if I go to start, I can find my Chromium browser right here, and there it is. Now let's say for example I need to install another software. The easiest way will be to open my browser, go to pkgs.org, and then look for packages for Slackware. So I'll go up there and select Slackware current, select the Slackware official. Then from here I can select the file I was looking for. Let's say for example I wanted this M player, so I'll select the file. Okay, so here is my package. I need to download that zip file, then use this command right here to install it. Open link or open a new tab, allow it to finish. After that I need to go to the folder and then copy it to my USB drive under the folder Porteus and then modules, and I need to paste it right here. Now I'll go back to the website and copy this one, and then right click, open terminal, type sudo, then I'll paste that command and put my password TOOR, installed. Now if I go to start and look for my media player, now that's a long process. There is a simpler one, and the simpler one is to right click on the file and then convert to LxRealm, input password TOOR. You'll get this file, right click it and open with activate. Now if you can't find the software you are looking for here, look for the Slack build file and build the package yourself. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and catch you guys on the next one.